Hi everyone, how are you today? I'm the counseling intern in HMI. My name is Pin-Chen. In this video, I want to share a relaxing and fun activity that I usually do when I feel bored, annoyed, or harassed. The method is called zentangle. Zentangle is a way to create beautiful images by drawing structured patterns, and the patterns is combined with dots, lines, or curves. What we are going to do is put these graphics inside any kinds of drawing frames you like and enjoy the healing and mind-clearing process. And the important thing is that there is no right or wrong stroke and no mistakes in zentangle art. As a person who doesn't have any art learning experience before, I think zentangle is really easy to learn and it's fun for everyone to enjoy. So if you haven't tried before, let's do it together right now, and I'm really glad to be here to introduce this to you. Here are the supplies that we need to prepare for zentangle. I have a pen and a piece of paper, and that's it, which is really simple. And you can choose any color and any kinds of pen that you like, or even you can just use your fingers drawing on your cell phone or iPad. As you can see, I already drew some drawing frames on my paper, and the next part I will just show how I make the zentangle on these frames. So, let's go. So these are my zentangle artwork today. If you did that with me, you can find out that it's not so difficult. I started with lines, squares, circles, and some triangles, and then I added some natural elements like plants, sunshines, yeah, like this. So you can make it in small pieces or bigger ones, and you can choose to draw some color or shadow. If you are interested, you can search zentangle online and you will find more patterns that you can use. It's a wrap of this video. I hope you enjoy this meditation art style with me, and I hope you have a safe and peaceful winter holiday. Bye bye.